Another revenue stream that I recently opened up for my online business was creating and selling Notion templates. So in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about what Notion templates are, how to find Notion templates to sell, where to sell them, and how to make even more money with these templates. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn these 4 aspects of creating and selling Notion templates. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. So basically what we're going to do today is we are going to first talk about what Notion templates are, because obviously that's really important. Second, I'm going to give you a few different ways to find Notion templates to sell. Third, I'm going to talk about the different ways to sell Notion templates. And fourth, we're actually going to talk about how to make more money with these templates. So first, let's go ahead and talk about what Notion templates are. Notion templates are basically virtual or online organizers and planners. People of all aspects, whether you're an engineer, you're an accountant, you're a marketer, you can use these templates to help you plan and organize your business even easier. So one of the benefits of Notion and their templates, if we take a look at my screen here, is you can see that it's basically a lot of things at once. You can make notes, you can share this with your friends, family, coworker. You can use this as an organizer, a planner. You can see there's roadmaps. There's probably like a million different use cases for Notion templates. That's why they're so cool and so easy and potentially profitable for you. But you can see this, there's so many different use cases for it. As you see they're talking about engineering. Some people are using them for like meal planners. Other people are using them to plan their social media. So again, it's that next step in planners and templates. So that's what Notion templates are. So now that we have that brief overview out of the way, let's talk about where you can find ideas to create these Notion templates that you can sell. One of the best ways to come up with ideas is to look on Etsy. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to Etsy.com. Obviously it's free. So once you head over to Etsy, you can just search Notion. Hit the space bar and you can see Notion Life Planner, Notion Template Business, Notion Budget Template, Notion Habit Tracker. And then if you want to take it a step further, just go through each letter of the alphabet to see what pops up. Now I typed in Notion W and we can see wedding planner, weekly planner, lots of ideas. Now what you're going to want to do is simply write these ideas down to help you know what to do next. So just keep going through each letter of the alphabet. This is going to take a little bit of time, but this is going to help you find different templates to sell. So this is just one way of doing it. The next thing that you can do is you can use a paid keyword research tool like I use. It's called Ahrefs. And basically what I did is I just searched Notion and then I added the word download or template after it. And this is searched 65,000 times per month. There are over 3,000 keywords. But if we scroll through, you can see Notion Habit Tracker, Notion Templates Aesthetic, Notion College Template, Notion Project Manager Template. These are all templates that you could create and sell in a variety of places. Now, the next place that we can find Notion template ideas is to come over to a free/paid keyword research tool called Insight Factory. Now, Insight Factory will help you find different ideas to sell over on Etsy. And what I did is I just typed in Notion, and you can see it will give us a list of the Notion templates that have been listed, and really anything that you type in that have been listed and sold over the past week or so. For example, there's a Notion Life Planner that was sold just today. And the cool thing about using Insight Factory is it will actually help you generate your tags, your title, description, and find even more keywords. So this is a great place to start if you're looking to find different ideas. Now, ultimately, the best place to go is to use Etsy, because you know for a fact that people are searching it. One thing that people don't realize with Etsy is actually a keyword search engine optimized heavy tool. There are algorithms that work behind the scenes on Etsy and they're looking for different keywords, but you could create a Notion real estate planner. Another thing that you could do is you could actually head over to Notion and you could take a look at some of the different templates that are already available. Now, I'm not telling you to just copy and paste someone else's templates. No, you want to use those for ideas and inspiration. See what's already working in the marketplace, and then you could create something better, something more in depth to really solve someone's problem. But there are a few different places that you could find Notion template ideas. The next step is to sell your Notion templates. Now, there are at least 10 different ways that you can sell them. I'm going to talk about the top 4 or 5, but one of the best ways to sell your Notion templates is right over on Etsy. Now, just like we searched Notion, let's do Notion real estate. And you're going to see that these Notion real estate planners are going for anywhere between $5 and $33, depending on how in-depth they are. Now, what you would want to do is first figure out what a real estate agent would want and need inside of a planner. And then you're going to create that. Okay. Now make sure that you are creating your own stuff. Do your own work. Don't just steal someone else's work. That's unethical. That could be illegal. Make sure that you're doing your own thing. But you could simply start an entire Etsy shop where you're just creating and selling different Notion planners. So this is just one way. A second way, potentially a better way, is actually using Facebook ads. Now, I went over to the Facebook ad library and I just typed in Notion, and you can see there are tons of people that are selling different Notion. Now, what you'd want to do here is you want to identify a target market, maybe again, the real estate market, and you'd want to create a Notion planner that will help them make their life easier. People ask me all the time, why would someone buy something that they could just do themselves? Either they don't have the time to do it, they don't have the want to do it, or they just don't know how to. They feel much more comfortable with having someone else build this out for them, and you could be that person. Again, if we can save someone time, we can save somebody money, they're going to pay us for it. And if we're building out these Notion templates for them, we're saving them time, which they'll be more than willing to pay money. But if you just scroll through, and again, this is Facebook Ads Library, this is 100% free. There are tons of people that are creating Notion templates in a variety of topics, and you could do this too. Again, you're going to want to create a Notion template or maybe even a Notion bundle. For example, if we're targeting real estate agents, maybe we create a bundle where it's to cover their real estate planners to help them, find sellers, and then maybe a marketing planner to help them market it a little bit better. That's one of the better ways to go. Another thing that you can do is you can actually market your Notion planner over on a free traffic source like social media and TikTok. For example, I typed in how to save money. We simply create content teaching people or showing people how to save money. And then we could say, hey, look, if you need more, if you want more, I put together this accounting planner or, a dashboard to help you budget properly. We put together a budgeting Notion template, and then we could sell it for $9.99 or $10. Now, if you're going to go this route, you're going to need a back end. You could use something like Gumroad to sell it. I would use ClickFunnels because I'd have different upsells. But this is one of the great ways to make money with social media. You have a target audience, for example, people that are having problems saving money. You give them different tips and tricks to help them save money. And then you say, hey, look, if you need more help, you need more assistance, check out my budget calculator, my budget planner. Really simple, really easy. One other cool way that you can actually make money selling different Notion templates is actually right on Notion. Yes, believe it or not, once you log in, there is an entire marketplace where people are making very good money simply creating and selling these Notion templates. Now, what they're doing is they're creating the templates, they're posting it on Notion, and then Notion promotes them if a lot of positive results. And then what the creator of the original template is doing is they're selling it with Gumroad on the back end. So that's actually another cool opportunity as well. You can actually sell right through Notion. And if you do it this way, you don't necessarily need to go out and do any marketing. If you're doing Etsy, you might want to market and you have to worry about SEO. If you're doing Facebook ads, obviously you're going to have to market and you have to worry about SEO and the algorithms and spending a little bit of money up front. If you use social media, you don't have to spend any money up front, but it may take a little bit longer. The final way that you could sell your Notion templates is actually with Creative Market. Now, I recently stumbled across Creative Market. It's probably been around forever, but I kind of feel like Creative Market is Etsy's little brother, but you could actually create Notion templates and sell them right over on Etsy as well. Now, the best part about Notion templates is it's all connected to the web. So what you could do is you could, to make more money with these templates, is you could add in a free giveaway. Maybe you give away some planners and you get them on your mailing list. You could also do affiliate marketing, which is actually really cool. For example, if we were doing a budgeting planner for people that want to save money, we could go out and find different checking accounts or savings accounts that are going to pay us commissions. Maybe we find something that will pay us anytime someone runs their credit score. Maybe we find a credit repair affiliate program, and maybe even help them start a business. So one of the cool things with Notion that I really like is that it's linked to the web. So we could put in as many affiliate links. If we have other digital products that we want to sell, we can also add those in as well. So I really like this new area that I'm testing out. And as I start making money with these these Notion templates, of course, I'll keep you guys updated. And what I've also done too is I'm putting the Notion templates that I create and develop, I'm actually putting them in PLR repository. That is a service that we do where we offer or create 3 to 5 new digital products every single month. If you want to learn more about PLR repository, it'll be the first link in the description. We add 3 to 5 new digital products every single month, and you just pay that one-time charge. So if you want to get started with Notion templates, you don't have the time, the energy, the want to create them, definitely check out PLR repository because we'll be updating you with those. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.